Hey, good morning, guys. Stan Dale, President Florida Sun Coast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Ooh, another rainy morning here in Southwest Florida. Doing a video here. I'm at the airport, and it seems like I live here at the airport. Knocked this one out this morning, but we've got a lot to talk about. I'll do it really quickly. Today, Friday the 13th, we're doing the Friday night social at Channelside on the rooftop. Kevin Tipton's group up there. Rumor has it last month we had 75 plus cars there. So just a great event. Check that out up at Channelside there in Tampa on the bay. 7:30 to 9 o'clock. And then Saturday we got a bunch of things on the agenda this Saturday. Al Hepburn and the OCC crew doing the Fort DeSoto Park picnic this Saturday. I hear there's some pretty nice prizes for show and shine there. 11 to 1:30 at Fort DeSoto Park. So check that out. It's on the website. Tomorrow, Fields, BMW, Lakeland, Cars and Coffee, Kyle Jones, 9 to 11. That is just turning out to be a really cool Cars and Coffee event there. Appreciate the folks at Fields Lakeland hosting that. Just after the Fields, there's a drive to Yahala Bakery. I can never say that right. Probably didn't then. That's from 11 to 2 o'clock. Go to the Cars and Coffee, then join the drive over to the bakery. It's a nice run. Everybody loves going to that bakery. It's just a really cool place. Jacksonville, tomorrow, Avenues Mall from 8 to 11 is the Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane. So go check it out. Huge event there. I'm hearing more than 100 and probably closer to 200 are showing up for this event there at the Avenues Mall in Jacksonville. So go check that out. Tell Al McKay you said hey, and we'll go from there. On the 17th, this coming Tuesday, next Tuesday, is the OCC. Jeff Cunningham and crew at the OCC, 6:30 to 9 o'clock. What a great event. Love that venue, and those folks just treat us right there, so go check that out. And then next week on the 19th, on Thursday, we launch Mountain Drive 2. That's the big drive. It's been sold out since March, but we launched that. Got some folks leaving early. They're up there with the Z group this weekend and staying over to drive with us out of Maggie Valley. We're going all over the western North Carolina area. Curvy roads, barbecue, concert, great friends, 50 plus people in this group. If you want to be in Mountain Drive 3, you're going to have to get in and sign up early. We'll post it week after next, and it'll be half sold out, I'm pretty sure, by the time you get there. So if you want to be a part of Mountain Drive 3, you got to get there early. And then I'm going to jump ahead. There's other events going on, but I want to tell you about, you got to get your tickets and get ready for Daytona Drive-On, historic sports car racing. We will be at Daytona on Saturday the 4th of November, so you got to be there. We're cooking. We're bringing the trailer, the grill. We're going to be cooking. We'll have a corral. Corral is right in the heart of the track. And then come and experience driving on the sports car track and around. You can't get up on the walls, but I'm going to tell you, you probably would like to try it, but you just couldn't survive it in street cars. So, but come on out and drive the track. It's pretty cool just to say you've done that and be a part of that. And then look for the registration for Sebring will open, and then we'll be at Sebring the first Saturday in December. So first Saturday in November, Daytona HRS, and then the first Saturday in December, Sebring HRS. We always take about 100 folks out to that event in Sebring. So come on out. A lot of things to do, a lot of things I skipped over starting at the end of next week after next, but I'll update you from the mountains. Our next broadcast will be from Maggie Valley next week. So until then, see you soon. Come on out and have some good times with us. Happy motoring. Bye now.